Hey guys, it's Flipping Genius Finds, and today I do have items that sold for the month of January, maybe 9 items that sold for $100 and over. So I will be putting that in this video. So first up, we have a rare Gemmy 2014 Snoopy inflatable airplane, 6.5 feet, holiday lawn blow up with box. This was listed for $499. And I did take an offer of $425. It did take about 8 months to sell. The box was also in pretty good condition. You can see the propeller actually rotates. This is the Villeroy and Boch Petite Fleur rectangular covered butter dish, small floral flower. And it was listed for $149.99. I did take an offer on it for $125. It did take only about 2 weeks to sell. Some of the Villeroy and Boch, depending on the pattern, they could be really very good. Yeah, this was in excellent condition. You can see the Petite Fleur. We have the vintage Waterford Crystal Clarendon Cobalt Blue Brandy Glass Sniffer. It was listed for $132.99. And I had two available. They sold for $265.98. It did take 3 months to sell. This is cut glass, very nice pattern. This is Stella Chavaria, Santa Clara Pueblo, Native American black polish carved design. This was listed for $199.99. I did take an offer on it for $132. It did take about 8 months to sell. You can see the signature, only about 3 inches tall. This is the Russian Matryoshka nesting doll sign Christmas. 8 pieces ornament nutcracker with a rat that's 8 inches. This was listed for $279.99. And I just took an offer on it for $112.50. This was listed for over 2 years, so I just decided to take a low offer on it. And then I did receive a positive feedback on this one. You can see there's 8 pieces. Anyway, what's the difference between a Matryoshka doll and a babushka doll? Does anybody know? Leave it in the comments below. And then we have the 3 rats right here. It's very beautifully painted. This is a vintage Decapoli fiber optic lamp large angel with doves on a fountain. It was listed for $119.99. And I did take an offer on it for $102. It did take about 5 months to sell. It is very beautiful when you turn on the lights or like turn it on in the dark. You can see the flickering lights of the wings. I mean, it is actually very beautiful in itself in the light, but it looks very much prettier, much more beautiful in the dark when the lights turned on. Oh, I didn't even notice. I forgot to take off the tag. Now, this is a set of 4 Lennox Ambassador Haverford Hall dinner plates, 10 3/4 inches. This is like in excellent condition. It did take about a year to sell. It was listed for $225.95. It did sell for the full asking price, but it did take about a year to sell. You can see the very beautiful gold banding. Lennox Haverford Hall. Now, this is a 2012 wooden nutcracker drummer, red, yellow, black, 24 inches tall. and it was listed for $124.99. I did take an offer on it for $100, and I did receive a positive feedback. It did take only about 3 weeks to sell. This is like the Kirkland brand or a Costco brand, or I wouldn't say it's the Costco brand. It's distributed by Costco. We have the My American Girl doll, 18 inches, number 58, dark skin, curly hair. And here's the, I believe the model number. It was listed for $149.99. And I did take an offer on it for $130. It did take about 3 weeks to sell. You can see on the back of the neck, it says American Girl. See the tags with the box. So that is it, guys. That is all I have for you today. Please go ahead and like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks, guys.